This weekend at the Marriage Helper Workshop has been absolutely amazing. There are no words to describe what I've learned from this. The tools that we have to move forward are invaluable. Thanks to you guys, you're saving a 27-year relationship. Divorce was filed, and we've been separated for 2 years, and I thought there was no coming back. But Marriage Helper gave me hope, and now I can see the path that we need to take to move forward, to have a healthy, fulfilling marriage. So Marriage Helper, thank you so much.
I want to say thank you to Joe and his staff as well. You know, we were separated for 2 years, and for the 2 years she worked on me to come. I didn't want to come. I let my ego get in the way, and I don't need a doctor. I don't need this. I don't need that. I'm set in my ways. But thanks to Marriage Helper, I look forward to a long, good, joyful life with my wife. Thank you, Marriage Helper.